equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to go over this Kent USA. It's a good heavy-duty milling machine. There's a few different options on this guy. They pretty much put everything they could on it. It's got a nice acra RITE 2-axis digital readout. You got your power feed on your X as well as your Y. And you're also going to have an inverter head. What this will allow you to do is use it in single phase or 3-phase and allow you to have an infinite number of speeds in between. You have your pedometer right here, increase or decrease. Really nice, shows you exactly where you're at. As I say, you have an infinite number of speeds. The head on this machine sounds really good. Super quiet. Gonna keep decreasing here. You can see it's almost to a crawl. Back up. Now it does have the power feed here. Set that into your depth stop. It's going to go ahead down. Once it hits that stop, it's going to stop. You'll know you're at the same depth every time, and you can retreat your handle there. Another little option, you got your brake on there, turn it off right away, spindle load, really nice machine. Now if you're looking for this type of mill, new or used, if you have something for sale, we have all different types of mills, belt pulley, variable speed, inverter head, large or small, we have it all. Let us know how we can help you. 626-444-0311 or check out our website for a complete inventory and some great financing options at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.